Hey, what's up, everybody? Here, let me get this set up really fast. Hey, what's up, you guys? Today, I just wanted to show you how to change your Instagram name. How to change your Instagram name. I change my Instagram name all the time, and a lot of people don't know how to do that. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to swipe up here, go over to your internet browser, Instagram name checker, Instagram name usability, and when you get here, you're going to type in Fortnite clips, and that one's not available. Fortnite gamer, that one's also not available. Apex Legends awesome, that one's available. So you really just want to keep checking. Like mine, that's my username right there, and it's, as you can see, it's not available because that's the one I use. As you can see right here, I'll prove it to you right now. You can see mine right there. Is Casey Pierce with 2 eyes. You go over here, you check on Instagram usernames. MFJD, that one's available. So basically, it's just it's just a lot of trial and error, going there, going back, figuring it out, figuring out how to make Instagram username. You would if you try. Keep going on there, type in all your usernames. Let me know in the comments below which usernames you've tried and which ones you think are the best. Keys Cat out of here. Right here is a picture of my car. I was T-boned earlier and my car got smashed. That's why the video sucks. It's not the one that I wanted to do because I was dealing with insurance. If you like what I do on this channel, hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Philip DeFranco. You've just been filled in. I love your faces, and I'll see you on tomorrow, Wednesday, because I upload on Wednesdays. Like and subscribe.